let us go more problems in our topic trigonometry. Let tan 25 equals to P, tan 245 plus tan 335 by tan 205 minus tan 115 equals to what? Given options are here, definitely you can choose one option from here. Now which strategy can be applied here? You can solving the problem by converting to the tan terms into the tan 25s. 25s, we need angles as a 25. How to get 25? Okay, let observe. 245, 335, 205, 115, more than 90, more than first quadrant. Now some information about the quadrants like this: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant, okay, all students take care about this. All students take care about this. Okay, then all means all. Sin, cos, tan, only 3. You can choose only 3. Sin, cos, tan. Remaining their reciprocals. Okay. Let here it is an above 90. We know clearly. Simply you can write here. It is a theta. It is a pi minus theta. It is a pi plus theta. It is a minus theta. Nothing but 2 minus theta. Just 4 enough for this type of problems. Okay, let 245. Let 245 in the terms of 25s. How to get 25? Let observe. Now it is actually 180 plus 45 and also 270 minus 45. Yes or no? Then tan 245 equals to tan 270 minus 25. Okay, 25 is nothing but 245. Let observe 245, 25, 270. Okay, now which quadrant? Tan 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta is nothing but 180 plus theta. Okay, third quadrant has tan, so plus. Now for 270, for 180 and 360, same ratio. Tan for tan, cot for cot, sec for sec. And for 90 and 270, odd 90s, for odd 90s, for even 90s. Okay, there co-ratio. Suppose here tan, for 270 definitely we will take co-ratio. Cotan means cot. Cotan. For sin, cosine. For sin, cosine. Sin, cosine, cos. For sec, cosec. Okay, for tan, cotan. Okay, S means sin. Okay, T means tan. Okay, that's why here we can taking cosec. Total 5 letters. Because of suppose taking only 3 letters, that one becomes as a cos. Okay, that's why 5 letters. Cot 25. Okay, now cot 25. If tan 25 equals to P, then cot 25 equals what? 1 by P, yes or no? Then it is a 1 by P. Okay, similarly tan 335 equals to tan of 360 minus 25. 360 is nothing but 0. Remember, just you can take 360 equals to 0. Okay, for it is a simple trick. Okay, 360 is a 0, then it is the minus theta quadrant. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant does not have tan, so minus tan 25. Okay, now it is a minus P. Okay, next 205. Tan 205 equals to tan of 180 plus 45. Sorry, 25. Okay, 180 plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant has tan, so it is a tan for 180. For 360, for 180, that is the same ratio. Tan is a tan only. Tan 25 equals to P. Okay, similarly tan 115 equals to tan of 90 plus 25. 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. Okay, tan 90 plus 20. For 90, tan becomes as co-ratio. 90 plus theta, first of all, that is first of all we have to design the sign. It is a minus cot 25 because of it is a co-ratio. For 90, co-ratio. Okay, let cot minus cot 25 is a minus 1 by 5. Okay, let's substitute all this. Suppose we can substitute here. Then tan 245 is a 1 by p plus tan 335. Tan 335 is a minus p. Then it is a p 205 minus of minus p. Okay, 1 by p. Let 1 minus p square by p square plus 1. 1 plus p square. LCMs are equals. So that's why cancel pp. Okay, 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. Third option. Okay, let us go with the next one. Now here, if a cos theta equals b sin theta and a cos cube theta plus b sin cube theta equals sin theta cos theta, and then a square plus b square equals what? 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, definitely we can choosing one option from 4. Which strategy can be applied here? Okay, already we done like this proper strategy, that is a ratio and proportion. So sin theta by a equals to cos theta by b. Yes or no? Let us take yes. Then it should be a in the place of sin theta equals to ak, cos theta equals to bk. Okay. Okay. Let a cos cube theta is nothing but a into a cube k cube. Okay. Plus b into here b cube, here a cube, k cube. Okay, equals to ak into bk. Okay, then here a b k square is a common. Suppose a b k square is a common. Now common from both. Now remaining are what? Remaining k cube also common. A b k cube common. Now remaining are here b square and here a square. A square plus b square equals to ab k square. Now these are cut. Okay, 1 k is here. A square plus b square equals to 1 by k. Okay, leave that. Okay. Then from these two we have sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Yes or no? Now we are applying theta elimination method. Eliminating of theta. Okay, let a square k square plus b square k square equals to 1. Clearly a square b square equals to what? 1 by k square. Yes or no? Then 1 by k equals to 1 by k square. Okay, then k equals to 1. Okay, k equals to 1. The option is second one. Okay, let us do more problems. 5 sin x plus 4 cos x equals 3. Then value of 4 sin x minus 5 cos x equals to minus 4, 3 root 2, 4 root 2, root 2. This kind of problems are appeared in board of exams. Okay, board of intermediate or any board. This type of problems can be done by hint. The hint is simply a sin x plus b cos x equals to p, a cos x minus b sin x equals to q. Sin x cos x questions are interchanged with opposite sign just. Okay, equals to p. Suppose it is a p. Now it is a equals to q. It is a q. Then a square plus b square equals to p square plus q square. Okay, let a square 5 square plus 4 square equals to 3 square plus q squares. It is a q. Then we need q. Now it is a 25 plus 16, 41 minus 9 equals to q square. Then q equals to 41 minus 9, 2, 41 minus 9, 2 and 3, 32. Okay, q square equals 32, then q equals to 62, 16 2s are, okay, 4, 4. Third option. Okay, let us go with the next one. 2 sin x plus 5 cos y plus 7 sin z equals 14, but actually we have to find 7 tan x by 2 plus 4 cos y minus 6 cos z equals to 4 minus 3 11 5. Okay, definitely we will choose one option by applying the strategy, different strategy we need, because of it cannot be possible to find direct. Okay, definitely here applying verification method again, verification method. Let if x equals to pi by 2, y equals to 0, z equals to pi by 2, then apply 2 into 1, 2 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 14. Okay, na correct. So is here possible to take these values, and also these are applying our given. Okay, let 7 tan x by 2, tan x by 2, pi by 4, yes or no, plus 4 cos 0, okay, minus cos pi by 2. 7 into 1, 7 plus 4 into 1 is a 4 minus cos pi by 2 is a 0, then that is a 11. Okay, option 3. Okay, these are the most type of important problems. Okay, you can practice number of problems. If you want any problem, any doubt, please comment on my comment box. Okay.